why you're here.
Okay, right. I'm Lynn Talbot. I'm from Billericay Rotary Club in the UK, and I'm here to look at the project that we have done with Mukono Central Rotary Club. It's been really exciting to have that partnership with an international club. We are a new club, fairly new. We've only been going for 4 years, so this is our very first international project. And it's the very first time I've been to Africa. And so I'm pleased that you've welcomed me to your beautiful and wonderful country, and the welcome I've received from everyone. It's been amazing. A lot of it was a surprise to me, what I've seen. A lot of poverty around, which has been heartbreaking in some cases, but there again we can only do a small amount. You know, we can't change the world in one go. We can keep trying to build on what we have been doing. So I want to go back to our club to tell them about the really great work you're doing here, like today, with the different clinical support that you're giving all these people, from vaccinations to pharmacy, dental, optician, the doctors, blood pressures, all kinds of things. But we need to develop that further because it's only touching a certain number of people. So I will go back and encourage our club to continue our partnership with Mukono Central and see if there are any other projects that we can do in the future as well. Okay. So thank you and greetings from the Billericay Rotary Club.
Mu programu yaffe cases z'abaana abakabasanyizibwako emikono bangi. Programu yatandika mu 2021. Tufunye cases esukka mu 5 omwaka guno, omwaka oguwedde ne guno, nga abaana bakabasanyizibwako. Omwana asinga obuto mu programu yaffe wa myaka 4. Era nga abaana bakabasanyizibwako abasinga bataata, abasinga bakojja, bajjajja, baneiba. So ekintu kino kikyabulabe nnyo. Research egamba nti olaba buli baana 3 abawala omwana omu akabasanyizibwako, buli baana 6 abalenzi omwana omu akabasanyizibwako. So ekizibu kinene mu district, not just Mukono yokka, naye ne Uganda yonna n'ensi yonna. So tulina okumakinga sure nti abantu tubabuulira basobole okumanya, basobole okufuna obuyambi.